Okay, so very quick video, no editing, no microphones, no nothing, just a very quick, so you can actually hear the sound. Should pick it up okay. I'm using an iPhone, it's fairly good microphones, but when I do my videos I normally use a more expensive microphone, which gives a better sound. Let's have a little play. So I haven't actually got any firm or soft beaters. I've got this one made at the moment, which is basically it's somewhere in between. It's not going to give you much of an idea, but yeah, I'm going to be making one of my things on my list of jobs that need to be done. I'm making drums at the moment, I'm making flutes, I'm making beaters, I'm making rattles. I'm running low on absolutely everything. So that's why, hence, I'm going to stop talking. I think. Stop playing. Here we go. Beautiful. Sounds great. No issues with that at all. It's a beautiful, deep, resonant sounding drum. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.